Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking a closer look at these Merrell men's Moab trekking shoes that I picked up. These ones happen to be size 11 in the brindle color, if you're wondering. Let's have a closer look so you know what to expect if you're looking at these shoes for yourself. So on the back here, they do have a tab if you do want to hang them up. It says Float Pro. And then the soles are quite thick on these. They've got the Vibram soles on them there. It does say Merrell on the side. They do have sort of a two-tone look with the black and brown with the orange accents. So it does say this is a mesh and TPU upper on here. The laces and the sole kind of wraps up the front. And then the same thing right down the other side. So here at the front, the laces, kind of a circular lace on there. The tongue, nice and thick. And then on the inside there, the Merrell Float Pro soles inside. And then the bottoms here, there's a ton of grip on the bottom. So again, multi-tone there with the Vibram soles. Lots of grip for those day trekking trips. So not a lot of give here in the main part of the shoe, quite solid. And in the toe, there's a bit of give here for trekking. So really well built shoe. And when I put these on, they're quite comfortable. I'm a little bit of a wider size 11, and these standard size 11s fit me quite well. So they're quite comfortable with the thicker sole there. I'm really excited to use these for my upcoming trekking trips. And again, these are the Merrell Men's Moab Speed trekking shoe.